Logical operators in Python programming language. Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, you will learn everything about logical operators in Python programming language. There are three types of logical operators in Python programming language. They are AND, OR, and NOT. The AND operator returns true if both the operands are true. If the left side and the right side of the AND operator are true, then the output will be true. And the second logical operator is called OR. The OR operator returns true if either of the operands is true. If one of the two sides of the OR operator is true, then the output will be true in this case. The third logical operator is called NOT, and it returns true if operand is false, and it complements the operand. Let's take a simple example to see how to use the logical operators in Python in action. As you can see here, we have used the logical operators in Python. The output for using A and B is equal to false, because one of the two sides is false. And in the case of using the OR operator, the output is true, because one of the two sides is true. And it returns true if either of the operands is true. And for using the NOT operator here, not A is equal to not false is equal to true. Also, you should know that false is represented by the number 0 and true is represented by the number 1. Now let's take some additional examples to illustrate the use of the AND operator. You can see all the results. The AND operator returns true if both the operands are true. That's it, simply. Also, let's take simple additional examples to illustrate the use of the OR operator. In this case, you can see all the results of using the OR operator in Python. And remember that it returns true if either of the operands is true. Okay, finally, let's see some examples for using the NOT operator in Python programming language. Outputs for these examples should look like that. Not 0 is equal to true is equal to also 1. At last, not true is equal to false. Logical operators are very simple, as you can see. Try to do this by yourself, and if you need any help, please ask me and I'll answer you as soon as possible. I am here to help you all the time. That's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching. See you again next lesson.